how much should you actually spend on an air cleaner for your Harley 103? It's interesting because you'll find budget options that seem tempting, but do they really deliver? Today, we're breaking down the best options to help you choose wisely. Product number 1, HEYOMOTOR Air Filter Cleaner. Let's kick things off with the HEYOMOTOR Air Filter Cleaner. Priced at $99.99, this product caught my eye for its promise of improved airflow and engine performance. If you want to enhance your bike's breathing and get more power, this is worth a serious look. With a high-volume air filter and built-in crankcase breathers, you can expect not just better horsepower but also a cleaner engine appearance. Reviews show it has a solid 4.5-star rating from 146 users, indicating that many are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about installation being a bit tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you have a basic set of tools and some mechanical knowledge, you'll find it straightforward. If you're someone who prefers not to tinker much, maybe consider seeking help. This is perfect for you if you want a noticeable performance boost and don't mind a little DIY. But skip this one if you're looking for something that's totally plug and play. For its price, it offers solid value. Now, if the installation concern bothered you, this next option might actually be even better for hassle-free setup. Product number 2, Nick Machine OPS Black Gray. Next up is the Nick Machine Ops Black Gray, priced at $93.45. This one grabbed my attention with its efficient design and sleek look. If you want a stylish yet functional upgrade, give this one a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This air cleaner is engineered for various Harley models, including the M8 engine. With a focus on compatibility, it fits several models from 1999 to 2024, ensuring you won't have to worry about whether it'll match your ride. Users have rated it at 4.6 stars from 108 reviews, proving it's a favorite. Some buyers mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. I get it, sometimes those manuals can be vague. But honestly, if you're up for a little troubleshooting, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable air cleaner that fits a range of models. However, if you're not comfortable with potentially confusing instructions, you might want to consider a more straightforward product. For the price, it delivers great performance and style. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one is even more tailored for specific models. Product number 3, Nick Machine OPS Black Red. Following that, we have another Nick Machine air cleaner, this one in OPS Black Red for $97.01. I love the look of this one, and if you're after something that stands out while still providing performance, this is worth your time. Why is this significant? Like the previous model, it fits an extensive range of Harley bikes, from the Sportster to the Milwaukee 8 engine. The high-flow filter increases airflow, which directly translates to better throttle response and performance. With a similar rating of 4.6 stars from 108 reviews, it's clear that many riders trust this product. Now, a few users have pointed out that it may require some adjustments to fit perfectly. Here's the thing. If you're someone who's comfortable making minor tweaks, this won't be a deal-breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that excels in performance. But skip it if you prefer zero hassle when it comes to installation. For the quality you're getting, the price is spot on. Now, if you're looking for something that really stands out design-wise, this next option might catch your eye. Product number 4, Chuanhao Skull Style Air Cleaner. Next, we have the Chuanhao Skull Style Air Cleaner Kit, which is priced at $116.10. This one immediately stands out with its unique skull design. If you want something that makes a statement while improving your bike's performance, you should check this out. What's great about this kit? The high-flow filter increases airflow significantly, which means not only do you get better throttle response, but it also integrates hidden crankcase breathers for a cleaner look. It's CNC machined from aluminum, making it durable and rust-resistant, which is a big plus for riding in different conditions. With a 4.3-star rating from 89 reviews, it's certainly appealing to those looking for an aesthetic upgrade. Some users have mentioned that the skull design might not be for everyone, and I get that. But if you like to stand out, this is a fantastic choice. Plus, it's easy to install with basic tools, which is a huge win. This is perfect for you if you want a unique look and solid performance. But if you prefer a more classic design, you might want to pass. For the quality and style, the price feels justified. Finally, let's wrap up with a more traditional option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, Nick Machine Ops Black Gray Model D. Last but not least, we have the Nick Machine Ops Black Gray Model D, priced at $93.45. This model is designed specifically for softails and touring bikes, making it a great fit if you have one of those. So why should you consider this air cleaner? It combines functionality with a sleek design, ensuring that your bike breathes better and performs at its peak. The filter is made to enhance airflow, which can lead to better fuel efficiency and throttle response. Plus, with a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 108 reviews, it's clearly a hit among users. However, some users have noted that it doesn't come with a detailed installation guide, which can be frustrating. But honestly, if you're someone who's willing to figure things out, it's not a significant hurdle. This is perfect for you if you have a softail or touring bike and want a reliable air cleaner. But skip this if you're not comfortable with a bit of DIY. For its price point, you're getting terrific value. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of air cleaners, each with its own strengths. Whether you're looking for performance, aesthetics, or ease of installation, there's something here for every Harley owner. In summary, from the HUIOMOTOR providing solid performance, to the Nick Machine options offering customization and style, and the Chuan House Skull design for those who want to stand out, there's truly a lot of choices out there. Each product shines in its own way, so it really comes down to what fits your needs best. Happy riding!